In today's video, I will teach you how to create a logo in Gimp. Let's get started. Creating a logo in Gimp can be done, but it's recommended to use dedicated vector graphics software like Inkscape for better results. However, if you're determined to use Gimp, here are some essential logo design tips to keep in mind. The first one is to start big. Begin with a large canvas size to allow flexibility later on. Consider print resolution 300 ppi versus screen resolution 72 ppi. And starting big ensures a high-quality logo for both digital and print applications. Use layers and layer groups. Separate logo elements onto different layers for easy adjustment. Create a new layer for each component and name them for better organization. And utilize layer groups to organize and manage multiple layers efficiently. Now choose fonts carefully. Select fonts that are clear, readable, and align with the brand's feel. Take the time to choose a font that enhances the overall design. You can also add new fonts to Gimp if the default selection doesn't meet your requirements. And lastly, keep it simple. Opt for simplicity in logo design for better memorability. Study iconic logos like Nike, Apple, and Tesla, which are simple and memorable. Limit the use of text and avoid excessive fonts and colors for a cleaner and more impactful design. While Gimp has limitations compared to vector graphic programs, implementing these tips will enhance the overall quality of your logo design. The emphasis on simplicity, careful font selection, and effective use of layers and groups will contribute to a more successful logo creation process in Gimp. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload new videos.